How's it going, guys, and welcome to this unboxing. I was able to get a hold of the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. I already did the review of the Pro 360, but in my opinion, I think this is a better buy, and of course I will be bringing a full review later. Now, this is an open box unit from Geek Squad Best Buy, so it's in pretty good conditions. So let's show you here what's included. So of course we get here the laptop in the blue color, and this thing gets a lot of fingerprints really easy. Black color on the bottom part, and basically the rest is just the USB Type-C cable and your 65-watt charger. And they claim that with about 30 minutes of charge, you can get up to 50 or 60% battery with this laptop. Now, this one, it's the one that it's only 1.9 pounds. Extremely light. And I already, just to save some time, set up the laptop so we see there. I look at the main screen, and I also have the fingerprint set up, and it works really good. There you go. Lock it, unlock it. So it works really good. I'm happy to report that it works good, because the 360 that I review, for some reason it was having a lot of issues with the fingerprint scanner. Now, I did get an update on the 360 one, and that issue was fixed, but I was having a lot of problems with the trackpad, a lot of false click with the 360 version, and there was no software update during the time that I had a laptop that was able to fix that problem. So far, I have not had any issues with the trackpad on this machine. None, and it's working really good. So that's probably something that was maybe unique from the particular unit that I had, and it's not a general problem. However, I hear other YouTubers complaining about the same issue with the 360 version, so I'm not sure, but I can tell you on this one it's happening. So what are the specs on this machine? Well, this is the i7 version, 13.3, I believe, screen size, AMOLED, 1.9 pounds. This version that is not 360, it only comes in 8 GB of RAM, and this one has 512 gigabyte of internal storage. This laptop also supports Thunderbolt 4. It's only one. The other one, it's a USB Type-C. And we have a full-size HDMI port. And then on the other side, we have access to a SD card reader, full-size USB high-speed transfer, an audio jack. And take a look at how thin this laptop is from the side. It's insane. Now, the best of all of this is that not only it's extremely light and portable, good performance, but the battery on this thing is insane. 1.9 pounds only. Wow, this thing feels like there's nothing inside of the laptop. It feels like they left the battery out. It's extremely light, very portable. Price on this is about $1,199, which I find a little expensive considering the materials and the feeling of this laptop outside. It feels very plasticky, cheap, but that doesn't mean that it feels like it's gonna break. So anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I will be doing a full review of this laptop soon, and there you have it, and I will see you on the next video.